Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Kenny and I'm addicted to luxury handbags and especially pre-loved luxury shopping because I love to save some coins but still enjoy its luxury. Alright, welcome back, and I've been away for a few weeks and I have put a teaser on my Instagram featuring this Chanel bag right here, and I'm so sorry if I just put you guys on a cliffhanger. It was not meant to be like that because I don't have a decent photo to reveal it, like basically. And so I also was away on a holiday and I just want to have a break and I've been so burnt out at work. So I got this bag soon after I got my Chanel wallet and chain, and I was just not comfortable to do another unboxing after this because I don't want this channel to be like basically promoting overconsumption of luxury goods, because you know you have to be very mindful. These bags are quite expensive and you just cannot be spending every few days like $1,000 on a bag, which is it's just not it. I'm not to promote that, but I just cannot stop thinking about it, and like it's a sign that I really like the bag, and I don't need it at all. I got like 6 Chanel bags, which is a lot. It's an excess, I know, but I just cannot miss this bag. Especially on the pre-love market, when you miss on it, that's it. There's no coming back. But yeah, this is a very special video because it's my 2,000 subscribers special. Insert crowd applause. And I mean, thank you guys so much for all the support through the years. I know my channel is not like growing a lot, but that's okay. I'm not comfortable with a big audience. Like 2,000 is a lot to think about, and the pressure is it's there. The pressure is there once your channel grows up, but let's not go into the tangent. It's not a brand new Chanel. Just FYI, I just put this in a bag for the effect. And let's open it up. Let's just stop talking. Okay. Alright. So it came in this like old seasoned Chanel box with that classic sticker which tells you what you're having inside. And it's made in Italy. I'm not sure if it says, no it doesn't. Oh, it does show the serial sticker on here. So it's a 15 series bag. Let's open the magic box. Right, so this bag came with all the shebang, all the packaging, just aside from the shopping bag. This was from another Chanel bag, but box is there. The ribbon isn't there, but shopping like toss bag is here as well. That's a big yes. And definitely the authenticity card is here as well, but let's reveal it. I just cannot stop talking. It's been a while. I wanted to talk to you, but it's here, you guys. Yes, and let's welcome her to the Chanel luxury world, or like in the designer luxury bag world. It's my newest baby. Please welcome my Chanel vertical quilt flap from 2011 as per the receipt. So you know it's got the receipt, and I'll reveal something with you guys as well later in a minute of something in here because it's a 2011 receipt. Shocking, like shocking, mind-blowing information. And so this is I cannot stop talking. So it's in the black, like lambskin leather. I had a friend on Instagram saying that it's probably not lambskin, but to me this is lambskin. It's quite squishy and soft, and it's in the So Black hardware. And usually when I see So Black hardware on the pre-love market, it's always extortionately priced. And I'm so happy for to nabbing this. And it's also still got the felt thing here, and it's got a Mona Lisa pocket. It's got the 4 grommets, which you know, gives you more versatility to the bag. And I like that it's a classic flap look, also like grabbing some design elements to the Chanel 19 as well, because it's a casual bag, quite squishy. But the gripe that I have with the Chanel 19 is that CC turn lock, which it just puts me off all the time. So yeah, it's a single flap. Let's take out the felt. Still got the packaging there, the stuffing, and I put a bag organizer inside just to maintain its shape. And okay, and it's got a slip pocket there which says Chanel, made in Italy. I mean the tag, and the authenticity sticker. Oh, the authenticity card, I mean. So it says 15 series, and that's it. Okay, so this bag came in with some wear and tear. There's like rubbing on the lip of that pocket here, rubbing around there. As you know, it just glides or scrapes against your skin or in your clothes. It's just pretty normal wear and tear, and some rubbing on the corners. So it also features that like alternating stitching around here, which is like a metallic, kind of glittery almost, but it's not obvious from the naked eye, especially from a distance. And I like the length of the strap. The length of the strap is perfect, quite versatile. It's a little bit long, but you know, we can tweak that easily. But I just like it. It's like a hybrid of the Chanel Classic Flap and the Chanel 19. But yeah, let's try it on. So that is what it looks like. Can you even see it? I'm ready for a shoot. I'll be like Caroline de Margaret. Come on, Virginie, hire me now. Okay, stop it. Alright. Okay, let's read the receipt. This receipt was from 2011, so that's more than a decade ago. It's just absolutely madness. What the hell? Okay. So this retailed for $3,000 US back then, 10 years ago. And as you know, seasonal Chanel flaps are at least double that price, or just under that. And she also purchased a Chanel wallet and chain for $14.55. And I'm sure that the walks right now have doubled, if not just under. So let's have I blocked her. Oh, yeah, it says $14.55 right there. And another thing special about this bag is that she got it from New York when she used to live there. And I've been wanting to go to New York, especially when we can, after this pandemic has settled down. I hope so. But I just love the bag. I don't need the bag, but it's true when they say that if you start to buy one, it comes and rolls over like snowballs into three. And that's actually true. It's actually true. I got like a few more bags coming. This is how to sabotage yourself in 2021. Alright you guys, I just want to know your thoughts on this bag. I love it. But I want to know, let me know in the comments down below, and thank you guys for subscribing and continue watching my videos. And yeah, it's hard to get some inspiration sometimes to film, but you just keep me coming back to film more videos. You are here. And please like this video just so I know that you enjoy this kind of content. And yeah, I think that's it. I just might insert some mug shots here and there just so you can see how this looks on me. And I've still seen a few of these bags on the pre-loved market, especially on Fashion File. And yeah. Right, I think that's it. Yeah. Thank you so much. I love you guys and you stay safe. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!